Hello all, Dan from Droneblog.com here. In today's video, we'll walk through the steps needed to set up MasterShots using the quick transfer function if using a DJI RC2 for doing MasterShots and exporting the footage. Now feel free to use the chapters to skip to the areas of the walkthrough that pertain to you. Briefly, for those new to MasterShots, MasterShots is an autonomous mode that, based on a particular scene you're shooting, will automatically select the appropriate flight routes and capture the subject using a variety of creative shot types. After the subject has been captured, the footage will either be automatically edited using various built-in templates within the DJI Fly app, or made available for use with video editing software. Based on the scene you're shooting, various MasterShot scene types will be accessed. These MasterShot types are portrait, which is specifically for capturing humans as the subject of the video, proximity, which focuses on a non-human subject that is in the near distance. This can be a structure or a man-made landmark, and then landscape, where the subject of the video would be something in the far distance, most likely a naturally occurring structure or another type of large object. Now we'll walk through the process of using each of the types in the MasterShots mode. While the Mini 4 Pro is in the air, hovering, go to the shooting modes and select MasterShots. Face the Mini 4 Pro in the direction of your subject, whether this is human, structure, or landscape. Now, for shooting portraits, trace a square around your stationary human subject. The Mini 4 Pro will automatically decide the series of shot types needed for the shoot. At this point, as is the case with any of the other shot types we talk about, choose your flight parameters, which are small, medium, and large. Now, these parameters fall within width, how far to the left or right the Mini 4 Pro will travel for the shots, length, how far back from the current position the Mini 4 will go to capture the subject, and height. This, of course, is the height the Mini 4 Pro will travel vertically to shoot. Now, if we're shooting proximity, here you want to trace a square around your large near distance object or subject. Choose your flight parameters if needed. Lastly, for landscape, trace a square around your far distance subject. Now remember to choose your flight parameters if so needed. After confirming the subject and parameters are correct, press start. You'll receive a countdown timer. The Mini 4 Pro will begin running through the earlier mentioned shot list types, keeping the subject in the center of the frame. An option to view the video will automatically show on screen after MasterShots have been completed. If you decide to bypass immediately viewing the footage, you can easily access it later from the album. Now here's something to note. For this particular walkthrough, the automatic view option wasn't available because I was screen recording on the DJI RC2. We'll now talk about creating an automatic MasterShots video. One of the convenient things about the series of MasterShots shot types is that the DJI Fly app can make a video from the footage using several theme templates. These templates all have different music. Some even have titles and variations in color filters. If you're using a DJI RC2 with the Mini 4 Pro though, there is a downside to MasterShots. Now as it currently stands, final MasterShot videos cannot be compiled and created on the DJI RC2. That process has to be done on a mobile device using the quick transfer feature. We'll go through the steps to connect the Mini 4 Pro to a separate mobile device and use the quick transfer feature. Now, if you've performed MasterShots from a DJI RC N2 in a smartphone, then you can simply go to your album at the main DJI Fly screen, and we'll be touching on the steps after that. If you did use a DJI RC2, turn off the Mini 4 Pro and that remote controller. Now turn on the Mini 4 Pro. Open the DJI Fly app on your mobile device. This can either be a cell phone or a tablet. On the main connection screen, switch to Quick Transfer mode. Here you'll follow the prompts to connect your mobile device to your Mini 4 Pro. Now, go to View Album. Once in the album, choose the video you want to use with the MasterShots templates. It must be a MasterShots video. Now, how do you know which video is a MasterShots video? Well, the icon for MasterShots looks different from that of a regular video icon. At the preview, select Create MasterShots. You'll be asked to download the full version from the Mini 4 Pro. You'll want to go ahead and download the file. Choose a template and export the MasterShot. After the export has been completed, the newly created MasterShot will be ready for viewing. Now, how then can we view the newly created MasterShots videos? Well, when the MasterShots video has been created, the video file will be saved locally to your device, whether this is Apple or Android smartphone or tablet. To view the newly created MasterShots video, all you would need to do is open either your iOS or Android Gallery app, locate the video, and play and or share it. The files will be easy to locate as they are fairly short, about 30 seconds or so. Well, that's all for this video. If you have specific questions about this or our other videos, we'd love for you to join us at dronepilots.com. For more tutorials and reviews, head to droneblog.com.